Class children, so let me start the revision number 3. Okay, so previously we had completed Varnamala and meanings. Today I am going to show you the revision number 3. I am going to explain, then I'll write on the board, then you should have to copy down in your classwork. But now when I am writing on the board, you just concentrate and listen to my class, because some headings you couldn't able to understand. Meeku ardham avadi, okay? Because I am just translating from Hindi to in English only. For example, this revision number 3 is nothing but व्यंजन को, दिए गए व्यंजन को मात्रा लगाकर लिखिए. This is the Hindi heading. So where you couldn't able to understand this type of heading, okay? Now what I am doing now, I am placing the heading in English only. I had written in the English. What is that? Place the matra for the given letters. Okay. What is this, teacher? We couldn't able to understand. Place the matra. Ekkada matra petali, ye matra petali ante nenu chupistanu. Okay. Any matra. If I ask you a matra, then you have to place for का को आखिरी मात्रा से लेकर ज्ञा को आखिरी मात्रा तक लगाकर लिखना है. समझे ना? In case if I ask छोटी ऊ की मात्रा, suppose, then you should have to write का को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा to ज्ञा को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा लगाकर लिखना है. Suppose if I ask बड़ी ऊ की मात्रा, then you should have to write का को बड़ी ऊ की मात्रा to ज्ञा को बड़ी ऊ की मात्रा. Okay, so ఏ మాత్ర నేను అడిగితే కూడా మీరు క నుంచి జ్ఞా వరకు పెట్టుకొని రాయాలి. ఇన్ కేస్ నేను ఆ మాత్ర అడిగితే ఆ దీర్ఘం పెట్టుకొని కాకు ఆకి మాత్ర క, ఖాకు ఆకి మాత్ర ఖ, which I had given the practice more than previous in the class, regular classes, right? Okay, so you may have remember this all. Do it this performance. If I ask choti u ki matra, then you write the choti u ki matra. Now teacher will show you two differences, how to write this matra. Only two examples I will show you. Just do it in the other class work. What are the matra? We have, okay, a matra, isn't it? No bina matra, choti ki matra, badi ki matra, choti u ki matra, badi u ki matra. Here I skipped the badi ki matra. Okay, I took only choti ki matra related words, and if it is there badi ki matra, never mind. I am not going to ask any badi ki matra question answers or other bits. Okay. Now let me start. I will show the example of place the matra for the given letter. Look at the heading all of you first of all. For the given letter, what is that given letter? Which matra? Here, I will write it here. Listen children. Place the matra. Choti u ki matra. Okay. This matra you should have to place for ka to gnya. Say I had given in the bracket. I had placed this matra. So this is the example. Now listen here children. First let me start the ka ko choti u ki matra ku. How to start? There is a margin line. Every time I am giving the practice for you how to write. You don't do the again mistake. Write on the blue line. Okay children. Ka ko choti u ki matra ku. Start from the margin. Ka ko choti u ki matra ku. खा को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा खू. गा को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा गु. घा को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा घु. Again don't leave one line. Okay, without leaving a line you can write. Next line you should write on the, just place the finger cap and write on the correct track. Okay, छ को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा छु. जा को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा जू. जह को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा जू. Next one, ta. Touch the letter and write. Don't split the letter. था को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा टू. डा को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा डू. धा को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा ढू. अना को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा नो. The next row is ta. ता को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा तू. था को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा थू. दा को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा दू. धा को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा दू. धा को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा धू. ना को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा नु. पा को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा पू. फा को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा फू. बा को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा बू. भा को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा भू. मा को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा मु. या को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा यू. रा को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा रू. डोंट टर्न इट. र को छोटी रू की मात्रा रू, ल को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा लू, व को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा वो, श को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा शू, श को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा शू, स को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा सू, हा को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा हु, क्ष को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा क्षु, त्र को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा त्रु, ज्ञ को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा ज्ञु. Okay, fine. So this is the छोटी ऊ की मात्रा. How to write? Now listen, children. Please follow the way how teacher written on the board. You have to follow this. Touch the letter and matra. 1 second. Once again I will show you. Any letter, you don't split the letter like this. ఇట్లా విడివిడిగా గ్యాప్ పెట్టుకొని రాయడం తప్పిది. ఓకే, ఎనీ లెటర్ ఇఫ్ యు టేక్ చ then touch the letter. If you write like this, if you split the letter and matra, this is wrong. Don't without touching the letter and matra, if you are writing like this is wrong. For example, these are the lines, right? Okay, now you are taking the you take the letter or the. Okay, now for the you will write the letter like this. Whether is it the way of writing? No, this is wrong. Whenever you are writing any letter, then touch the letter and write like this. Okay, so you should not give any between the gap between the letter and matra. Is it clear, children? The next very most important thing, keep the difference between the letters. Keep the difference between the letters. What are the differences? I told you now. What is that? Bha. This is bha. This is ma. This is dha. This is gha. See the look at the difference, all of you. This is the tha. This is ya. Every class I am explaining you. Again, you don't do this mistakes. Please, I am telling you, children. When writing sha, you don't write sha like this. This is wrong. Take a small line and curve it. This is sha. Okay. Then when you are writing ha, this is not a correct way actually. Ha, you should not write like this. You make the turn of ha, keep the habit of writing the ha like this. Okay, this is ha letter. When you are writing cha, take a small slant. Okay, then you curve. Split the, touch the letter and write cha ko choti u ki matra chu. This is the way. Understand? When you are writing dha and the, look at the difference. This is, if you bring it out, this is the. If you take the curve inside only, you are placing the curve, that is dha. Look at the difference. Bha, ma, dha, gha, tha, ya, the and dha. And how to write this? I had shown you the letter sh, then ha letter, ch letter. And the next one is, some children they will do the mistakes in what? You know that? Kha letter. This is the kha. Correct letter, the way of writing is kha, this is the way. But here some children what they will do? They will take their turn like this. Is it the correct way? No, this is wrong. Don't follow this type of handwriting. Please, children, if you want to see the very good handwriting in your classwork, very important thing, your pencil point should be very sharp. If your pencil point is very sharp, then your letters will look very neat. Okay, don't use the blunt pencils and sharpen it. Keep the strokes proper way and write the letters very neatly. Choti u ki matra, but pronunciations is very most important while writing. If I am asked choti u ki matra, then you have to write ka to gnya. Suppose if I am asking ka ko a ki matra, then what will you do? Again you have to place the ka ko a ki matra kha ko a ki matra kha to gnya ko a ki matra. Is it clear, children? So this is the one example I had shown to you. Rest of the matra you can do the practice. What is that? Sorry. What is that? What type of practice? See, look at here. A matra, badi u ki matra. You can go for choti ki matra. Make it as a homework. Okay, children. This make it as a homework, children. So only we have done the choti u ki matra. Teacher had given a matra, badi u ki matra, choti ki matra. You write all the three matra for placing to ka to gnya. Okay. ఆ 3 homework మీకు పెట్టించాను, రివిజన్స్ అవి కూడా రివిజన్స్. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద ప్యాటర్న్ ఐ హెడ్ షోన్ యూ. ప్లేస్ ద మాత్ర ఫర్ విచ్ మాత్ర, విచ్ ఎవర్ ద లెటర్ ఇఫ్ ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ హియర్. సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ హియర్ ఆ లెటర్, సపోజ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇఫ్ ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ హియర్ ఆ మాత్ర, then ka ko a ki matra to mya ko a ki matra means then you have to place again ka ko a ki matra से लेकर mya ko a ki matra तक लिखना है. Now what here I had given the heading? I had given the heading of choti u ki matra. So you are placing only choti u ki matra for. So आपको छोटी u की मात्रा to मैं आपको छोटी u की मात्रा, isn't it? So I have placed it in the bracket. Please children, keep the differences between the letters and write neatly, write on the line. No need of leaving any line. Okay, continuously all the letters should be on the correct track and maintain the good handwriting, children. Is it clear now? So tomorrow I am going to show you the next revision. Today this session is completed. Thank you children and be safe all of you.